Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to set up Neartby Share on your OnePlus Nord 2T device. So firstly, just open Control Panel, enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and location services, mobile data if you have a SIM, and location services. Then find here Neartby Share option. If you can't find Neartby Share, just click on the pen button, find Neartby Share here, click and hold on it, drag to top part of your control panel, and then you will see Neartby Share here on your control panel. So now tap and hold on Neartby Share to set up it, wait a while, click on Add or Verify button, scroll down, click Yes I'm in, then you can rename your device. You can change your device visibility mode. For example, you can be visible for contacts only, you can be hidden, or you can be visible for everyone. I suggest to use this mode to receive files using Neartby Share. And you can change data usage mode. I suggest to use data mode. So cool. Now just open Control Panel and enable Neartby Share. Click Turn On, you choose your device visibility mode and click Done. Now we can send, we can receive data using Neartby Share feature on our OnePlus Nord 2T device. For example, I want to send this image from my Oppo device to OnePlus device. How can I do it? So by clicking on the Share button, the Neartby Share, I will see here my OP 2T device, and by clicking on it and by clicking on Accept button on my OnePlus device, image will be successfully sent. So as you can see, image was successfully sent, and that's all. That's it. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.